Oh God! Keaton, stop falling like that.
Get you.
Okay, wait. What? Do you want? Whoa! What? What's going on? Butters! Hey, what's going on here? Get off my throat!
Did you get that, Lexi?
Yeah. Ah, here she comes! I love you.
Lexi, who's the funniest right now?
Probably not Cole.
Oh! Hey, what's that? What call? Boy! Oh!
Hi, puppy dog.
That call.
Cole, Keaton, your hat's right there.
Where am I going? Oh.
Throw a snowball at me again and I'll slit your throat. Just kidding.
Oh.
Cole, I have a camera in my hand, you idiot. How do you like that, huh? You like it, huh? Oh.
Run! Ah.
What are you doing? Did you eat the snow?
Yeah.
Hey, dog.
What's up, puppy?
Ew. There's a lady in there. No.
Actually, you should have got that. That's the one I got. I'm happy, man. No. I don't got cool, lady.
I'm thinking about making a fort right here.
No. Oh my God, that almost. Come on, get him, Keaton.
There's water dripping.
Okay, Keaton.
Blood! Blood! Funny.
It's so funny.
What's up, girl?
Jump on my nose.
What, butters? Oh no, it's close up now. Oh, run! Keaton, there's poop over there. Stay out of the cat poop, honey. Oh my God, there's snow in my boot. Oh no, cat poop.
Cat poop.
Cat poop.